Guys, for our PM video today, we are going to open up our monthly mini lessons for writing, and you're going to turn to page, 6, and it's about how to build a snowman. So what we're going to focus on is how to take our list of building a snowman that we did last time, roll big snowballs, gather buttons, coal for mouth, that sort of thing. And we're going to put it into a piece of writing. So up at the top, you're going to write your name and the date. So my name is Paul, and the date is 1-20-2021. So we have to start our paragraph out with some kind of introduction. And it's very possible that this piece of writing will go longer than this page, okay? So what we're going to start is by telling, if somebody else was reading this, the first sentence should kind of give that person an idea of what this is going to be about. So we could say today, so you could say, building a snowman is fun and can be broken down into multiple steps. You can say, today, let's build a snowman. Let's do that. Today, we will build a snowman. Now, I don't know about you, but that would be fun and exciting for me to read. So I'm going to put that up there. Today, we will build a snowman. The first step is to roll 3 large snowballs. And stack them up. Okay, so the first step is to roll 3 large snowballs and stack them up. If you need to pause here to catch up, please do. And think about what happens next. So the next thing we're going to do is next place buttons for eyes, coal for the mouth, and a carrot nose. All right, so here's next. So we've got first, and then we have next, place buttons for eyes, coal for the mouth, and a carrot for nose. Let's check it out. So we've got roll the big snowballs, gather the buttons, coal for the mouth, carrot for the nose. The next thing is branches for arms and top hat for the head. So a transition where we could use is then place twigs on the snowman for arms. So that's kind of then or next. Then place branches on the body for arms. And then finally, comma, place a top hat on his or her head. Okay, so I will leave this here. You can push pause and copy down our sentence. Now let's read it again one more time all together. Today we will build a snowman. The first step is to roll 3 large snowballs and stack them up. Next, place buttons for eyes, coal for the mouth, and a carrot nose. Then place branches on the body for arms. Finally, place a top hat on his or her head. You could say, you are done. You are done. All right. When you are done with that, we're going to switch gears to math. And we're going to turn to page 57. Page 57 looks like this, 5-7 down here in the bottom. Put your name and the date at the top. Okay, match the pictures with the number sentence. So A, 11 minus 9 equals 2. So this is 5 and this is 5. So that's 10. This is 5 and 1. That's 6. I'm not really seeing 10. It looks like 10 and 6. That doesn't really match. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so that matches the first deal here. And then we're striking out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so that's take away 9. And then there are 2 left over. So this picture goes with that problem. So draw a little line. Okay, and then 14 minus 9. So we need to find one that is 14. So let's see, this is 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. That's not 14. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Nope. This is 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so this is 14, and then it's take away 9. Let's see if this matches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It does. So they're taking out 9, right? So that matches, and let's see if there's 5 left over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, okay, so this picture goes with number 2. Or B, I should say. All right, so now C starts with 16. Let's see, this is 5, 10, 15, 16, minus 9, so minus 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yep, so 16 minus 9, and let's see if there's 7 left over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes, okay, so this picture matches C. All right, moving on to D, 18 minus 9. Let's find one of the remaining ones. Which one has 18? So this is 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, so that's right, that matches. Now let's see if they strike out 9 to match the minus 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yep, okay, and let's see if there's 9 left over to match the equals 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, okay, so this picture goes with D. Which means that this one must go with this one, but let's be sure. So 17 minus 9. So 1, 2, 3. So this is 10. We know that to be true. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, so that matches. And did they cross out 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, they did. And are there 8 left over? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep. Okay. So we're done with problem number 1. Check your answers. Make sure yours match mine. Now we're moving to 2. 12 minus 9. Circle 10 and subtract. Okay, so here's 5, 10. So we're going to circle 10. And then we're going to take away 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See how I crossed out 9 of them? So there's 2, 3 left over. So 12 minus 9 is 3. Now, the next one, number 3, is 14 minus 9. So find 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so we're going to cross out 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So let's see how many are left over. 4, 5. So 14 minus 9 is 5. When you're done with that, turn to page 58. And we're going to do number 4, 15 minus 9. Okay, so these are 15 apples. Take away 9. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many is left over? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 goes here. Okay, the next one, number 5, is 13 minus 9. There are 13 bones. Cross out 9 of them. So cross out the group of 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Circle what's left over. So I crossed out 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 left over. 4 goes here. Next one, number 6, 16 minus 9. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then there's how many left over? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 goes here. And problem number 7 says 17 minus 9. We've got 17 balloons, so we're going to cross out the first group of 5. And then we're going to cross out 6, 7, 8, 9. And then I'm going to circle what's left over. So there's 17 balloons. I crossed out 9 to take those 9 away. Now let's count what's left over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer is 8. All right. And then down here, you can draw your own pictures to help you. Or if you don't need to do that, you can use manipulatives or just solve it in your head. 12 minus 9. That is, so let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I just drew little circles. So I drew 12 circles because that's the whole, and I'm going to take 9 of those away. So I can just automatically cross these off because I know that's 5. 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so cross those out. And then count what's left over. 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 3. Okay. The next one says 13 minus 9. So you can draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, 13 minus 9, so cross out the first group of 5 here, and then 6, 7, 8, 9, and then count what's left over. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 goes here. 13 minus 9 is 4. Okay? 14 minus 9 is 3, and 15 minus 9 is... Oh no, sorry, I made a mistake here. So I put this 3 here, but it was supposed to go here. So 14 minus 9 is not 3. 14 minus 9 is 5. So I'm going to use my little handy dandy eraser because everybody makes mistakes and that's A-okay. And there are the answers for you. If you want to double check your work, make sure you have all the same. And that's it for today.